Hey guys, welcome to Lara Tips. And it's about already 2 weeks that I haven't uploaded any videos. It's because it was a festival season and I was also not very well, so I couldn't upload some videos. So from now onwards, I'll be continuously uploading the videos. So let's begin. In the Laravel version 8.65.0, a new method was introduced which converts this into this. So first of all, I'll show you how we could do it before and now how we can do it. So I'll just return from here. So here str and it's illuminate support str. If you see it over here, this illuminate support str and string of, let's say, str. And if we look here inside, it will just return this stringable. By using this, we can chain methods on a string. And if I just show you like this here, and if I just return here, you can see it is just returning what it is. So now before we had to just remove these dashes from here. Let's say replace dash with empty string. Now it will just remove those dashes, and from here we will say here title like this, and then now everything is uppercase and separated with a space. Now this has been converted to this. We had to do it in this way before, but now we can simply just replace this with headline like this. And if I just refresh here, you can see here the final result is same. And also instead of writing this off, we can directly do it on the string class as well like this. And if I again refresh here, you can see here the result is again the same. So the new method is this headline that is added to both string and stringable.